Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Bimano Chingiz and welcome to my presentation for assignment number 3. In this project, I demonstrate my skills in data collection, preprocessing, analysis, and visualization using Python and its data science libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So here you can observe my imports that I used for this assignment. And the goal of this assignment was to perform the clean data analysis, to visualize the data and trends or relations that can support decision making. So as I said before, the first thing that was done is to loading imports and exploring the data set. Then I load the data set in the pandas data frame using pd read csv. The first thing I created a variable as main URL. So here is our website, and the request encoding for UTF-8 and used beautiful SOP parser. Here, for data cleaning and preparation and before analysis, here I created for card, and from this card we need to take title. It's select one price color, and for book, and to go inside for this book URL, not the total website, into one book URL, we need to create also new link. Here we can see that it's called main URL plus related link, because the number of available stock books, you can take it only from this book URL. And beautiful SOP parser. And to see the availability, we select from in stock and availability. It's called here. And the records will show us the title, row price, and availability with count number. And here I created the data frame stock count. It's data frame of availability and extract with count of available number as type float, and the price in dollar, and replace the thing of euro. And for showing the results of first 10 rows, here we can see that the title of the book, its row price, its availability from the site is in stock, and from each other book card, it's the count number. Stock count is 22 and the price is 46 in dollar. The second thing here was the data wrangling. And the task A was to unit conversion, data type correction, and formatting. The first thing, when I write the price of USDT data frame as type of float and the stock count as type of float. And here, after that, here's the median of the stock count and the data frame of book credits. It shows us here in the formula. If the stock count data frame is more than median stock, the price USDT we need to multiplicate by 0.685. Here is the output. You can see the data frame with five columns. It's title, price, stock, price per stock, and book credits, and the first 5 lines of this. Here's the output. The second task was for normalization. Is the main thing in data analysis. We need to normalize data. Here is the stock, the mean of the stock. I created a variable stock mean, the standard deviation of the stock, and the z-score, data frame of z-score of the stock count. And the formula for this is the number of stock count minus the mean, and all divided by standard deviation. Minimum, maximum, and for showing you, here is the describe of the stock count data frame, the original stock count, and describe, for example, the count number of this is 20, the mean of this data frame is 19.35, standard deviation, minimum, percentiles, maximum, and the type of this. Exactly the same for this course. Here is for not for stock count, for here is the for price, exactly the same for price min max. And the next task is the for advanced binning and categorical conversion. For price min and price max, here as you can see, I created the variables and give them the data frame of the price USDT minimum and the maximum. After this, we need to create the bins. We need to divide this by, for example, bin. Here we can see the number of the bin is number of the edges of 4. So the free bin of low, medium, and high is created. I give them name labels, exactly low, medium, and high. And after this, from data frame price category, we cut them, the price USDT. And to figure out here, used matplotlib, showing you the visualization. Here, as you can observe, that low category we have 7, for medium is 3, and for high is 10. The next one is for dummies with price category. We need to create a prefix for taking data. All of them have prefix price cat. And for concatenation of them, and for there's the result value count for dummy column, price cat low is 13, 7. And the last task for this assignment is exploratory data analysis. It's task D, and statistical summary and distribution. The first thing we need to show, I need to show you all the numerical column summary for this. Here you can see the full table with the column titles, column names, and its summary for all counts, mean, deviation. After this, I created the groups of the price and grouped by them price category with the price, USDT, used mean. So you can see that each for this group of category, price category, low, medium, high, we can observe the mean price, average price. So here you can see that, for example, there's the low 7 number of low category, and their average price is $24. And to visualize this, I used the box plot. It's usually used the box plot for price USDT. And the last task for this task number 3 is task E. It's visual and person correlation analysis. To show you the correlation between them, I used the plot. I created the plot, and for X, I used the stack count. It's the for it exactly my mistake. For Y, I used the stack count, and for X axis, I used the price USDT. And the title of this is price versus stock count with regression line. So it means how they are how they related with each other.